How to make a profile picture not blurry on Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can explore and view Facebook posts and pages. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Here, go to the Preferences section. Tap on Media. Here, go to the Video Quality section and tap on Optimized. This option adjusts videos to network conditions. Now, go back to your Facebook profile page. Tap on your profile picture. Then, tap on Select Profile Picture. From here, select any photo from your camera roll. Then, tap on Save at the top right corner. You have now successfully changed your profile picture. Following these steps, you can easily make a profile picture not blurry on Facebook.